Speaking of dead dogs, bro, let me tell you what my mom did one time, bro. My mom hate cats, bro. She like hate cats with a passion. So boom, I'm in like middle school. Every time I get home, you know those cats that's always be around the house, running around the house like them stray cats.
For sure.
Yeah,
Got a
yeah.
bunch of them.
So boom, bro. My mama went to I remember because I called her when I was school. I'm like, you gonna be home when I get on? She like, no, I'm gonna be at the store. But I'm just tell you what she bought. I didn't know then. She bought rat poisoning. And she bought cat food in the cans. And she put rat food inside the cans, bro. Well, when I got off the bus, I saw 7 dead cats in the yard, bro.
Damn.
Damn. She the
And I
exterminator for
had
real. Damn.
and I had to got now throw them shits in the ditch.